Okay, so we'll be unboxing the OKI Pro1050. So it comes in two parts. We've got the printer and the unwinder. So so in here we have the unwinder module. So you gotta be careful not to grab it what's in here, so we want to grab it nice and easy. Okay, so we have the unwinder module here, and we'll grab the printer. So we've taken all these out. We have the user manual, guide, power cables, slide out. Safety one is here, that not breathing in trainer dust. Okay, so we've got the unwinder here. You got the locked and down the bottom. So you click on down the bottom and at the top. Clicks in place here. We have the screws here. So we've got one connection up here, one over here, and then down at the front here, the other spot here. These are for routing the cable, so they can be placed wherever needed to run the cable through. So, yeah, thank you. Okay, so we'll plug it in. plugs in on this side over here. And USB or Ethernet plugs in here. Okay, so we're using USB. If we open the front up here, we've got all the extra tape and everything that needs to be removed. So we'll make sure that all the tape is removed. And all the toner cartridges are also taped in place, which will need to be removed. And they've got the buffer on the top. So remove all these ones here. Remove all the messaging tape. So now you can lock them. So currently they're all locked out of place. So we move this to the right. They're all locked in. If we open the machine up, we'll see the transfer belt in here. So in the transfer belt, you can see a little bit more here to remove. Okay, we'll unlock the transfer belt. And lift this one here. Okay. So we have two sensor positions. So we've got the first sensor position here, which is currently set at 60. So we will adjust this one here down. So you see the little arrow there and the gap sensor as well. So we want this down around 30 because the label was only 60 wide. Okay, transfer belt goes back in. So gearing goes first, 45 degrees under the notch, click in place, click in. And the trailer cartridges. The arrow there is lined up on the left hand side and they slip in and they just naturally move over to the right a little bit. Make sure everything's seated. And close the lid. And then we come over to the unwinder here. So all you do is your opening, so we'll open up here. Lift the tension roll over and we will put in our first sample. Unlock the guide. Down the bottom here, there is a foot to be adjusted. So you do the foot up until it just touches to the clearance. That one there off. Attach the sample label roll, loosen that one off further. Goes under the dancer roller, under the F0 roller, and aligns to the D notch up there. Hold that in place, put the dancer roller all the way down, lock it in place, close the lid, put the outside flange on, locks in place, and the machine's set up.